So hello everyone. Now in this experiment we are going to talk about the command called join. The aim is to use the command called join in SQL. So SQL in an SQL join clue combines the columns from one or more tables in a relational database. It creates a set that can be saved as a table or used as it is. A join means for combining columns from one or more tables by using values into each. Inner joint returns the records that have matching values in both tables. Left or outer join return all records from left table and matched records from right table. Returns return all records from right outer join. Returns all records from right table and match records from left table. Full or outer join. Return all records when there is a match in either left or right table. So this is the table of manager. So we created it and we got this. And after entering values, we have it. Now the first query is write a query to display the name, living city and salary of employee. Since three are not it, these three details are in different tables. So if we use join command, so select ename, e.cname, e.city is the salary from employee, e join emp company on e name. So we will get the details called details as cname, city and the salary. Now cname and city are in different are in different table. These three are in different tables and these two are in one table and the salary is in different table. So we had to combine them so that we can get salary, and the same works for here. So in the second query is to display the name and living city and salary of employee using cross Cartesian join. So this time we have to use cross join. So we got these details from employee and employee company table, and this is how it works. Yeah, and in the third query is select ename from manager, join employee on ename.ecname. So this is, so we have to select manager name and customer name from employee manager table and employee table has to be employee details has to be displayed. So this is how it works. And the next query is display the employee name, manager name and salary of the employees whose salary is greater than 3000. So in manager and these three has to be details has to be processed and it has to be displayed in such a way that the employees who have salary greater than 3000 should be visible. So display the employee name, manager name and salary of employees whose salary is greater than 3000. So same question, but here we are using a we got the result. And next is SQL query to prepare a list with employee names who live and work in the same city. So only Anil and Sunil has only Anil and Sunil work in same city. Write a SQL statement to make a list of employees who live in Chennai and whose salary is between 1500 and 10,000. So it is a subset. It is set where we have to check employee company and employee tables. So to get salary, which which should be greater than, which should be in between 1500 and 1000. So Jaya and Ajay are the people who live in Chennai and get the salary greater than 1500 to 10,000. So display the name of employees and company name and the salary of employees who are not assigned any living city. So here from select CNAME and salary. This is the command and in the tables we have seen that every employee lives in a certain city. There is no employee who don't live in any city, so no rows are selected because there is no data. And select yes name dot e name yes name comma m name, and now we are using left name. So employee shift and manager are two different tables. We need to get details of employee name, manager name and their shift. So this is the command used to display it. And the next question is to display the city of employees in which the company is not located. So in the query is select ce.city from emp write join city and C on cname where city is null. So this is not, there is no data about it, so we won't get any result since every city has an employee. Every city has a company. And select yes name dot m name yes name yes dot e name m dot m name and shift from emp shift s full or join manager. So this is this is the query for that. We have the query is to display the employee name, manager name and shift of the employees. We have to use full outer join here. And the next question is to display the employee name, manager name and shift of employee. So select m name and this is how it works. So it displays employee name, manager name and shift name. So employee name is in both tables, but manager name and shift are not common. So shift is found in the table of shift and manager name is found in the table manager. Using the join command query, we got them together. And yeah, the number of names are less here because the number has to match with the number of employee names are matching with the number of names that we gave in shift table. So this is how it works. And the same command can be used to get this almost same command is also almost same, but the question is almost same, but we have to use natural join here. Select ename mname shift from emp shift natural join manager. And next select ename city and where company name and seat. So here we have to select the manager, sorry, employee name and the city of employees who are assigned a manager and lives in the same city that of manager. So we have, at this point we have to check who is that employer who lives with the same in the same city that manager, even that his manager lives. So Anil lives in Nagpur and his manager also lives in Nagpur. Sunil lives in Bombay and his manager also lives there. Display ascending list of customers who are either assigned a manager or not. So select CNAME, MNAME from customer C, left join manager M on C and order by CNAME ascending. So here A, it has to be the names has to be assigned in ascending order, which are either assigned a manager or not. And also we have to display whether those particular employees have manager or not. So make a use of depositor and customer table from previous exercise to list all customer names and amount for depositors living in the same city where either Sunil or Amol living. So select a CNAME DNAME from C join deposit D on C name equal to D or C name, where C city in select a city or customer where C name Sunil or Anil. So we have to list all the customer names and amount for the depositors living in the same city where either Sunil or Anil living. So this is not possible because we are not talking about, there is no table related to deposits, and so we won't get any rows. So this is how the join command works. Thank you.